Good afternoon, this is Chris with Westside Technology Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to be exploring a common question. Should you use a website builder or invest in a custom website? I'm going to be breaking down the pros and cons of each option so you can make an informed decision. There are several platforms you can use for something like a website builder. Some of the popular ones are Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, and maybe even WordPress. To be honest, I don't have a lot of experience with too many of them. Shopify, I do have a bit of experience with because one of my previous jobs. And then Wix, just a little bit, not too much. Basically, it kind of looks like this, where you go onto their site and you can go through and you can choose a template and you can get set up with it super fast. You can customize it to how you need, and you can get a website up and going in just a couple of hours. These website builders are actually quite affordable too. If we look at the pricing here, they have a couple different options. Looks like you're probably mostly in the range of like the $20 to $40 area, but it depends on your needs too. And after that, the tier jumps up pretty significantly. They all have their limitations as well. Apart from the price limitation, there are several other things to consider too. For example, it may be kind of hard to capture that truly unique, customized look and feel that you might want for your business. Because you'll end up choosing a template, and if you don't have coding knowledge, you might not be able to make it look exactly how you think it should or you would want it to match your branding. They also might not have all the features that you need for your business. Right now, a simple site like this might suit your needs, but in a year or two from now, maybe you want to have an integration with your CRM, or create a tool that helps you upload YouTube videos, or whatever that might be. Once you go with one of these website builders, that might not be very easy to do. And because there's so many things bundled into these website builders, sometimes things like performance and SEO can be negatively affected as well. It may hurt the site's visibility or even loading speed. And then of course, the other option is a custom designed and developed site. These are built from scratch by professional developers and maybe designers and they're tailored specifically to meet your needs. Obviously, some of the things you get here can help address some of those hesitations that we had with the website builder. One of them being full customization. It can be designed and developed from scratch, and it can be bent to your will to make sure that the site looks and does exactly what you need it to do. It'll also scale with your business as you need. You can start small with maybe a static website, and then as you need a feature, you can add it in, no problem at all. You just need to work with your developer. Also, custom sites are much better performing. They're usually built with best practices in mind, so custom websites can be optimized for speed, SEO, and user experience, and can often be lightning fast compared to website builders. There are also some trade-offs for custom-built websites as well, of course. One of them being a higher initial investment. Custom websites often require a higher upfront cost than something like a website builder like this, because you're paying for a team's expertise and time. There's a lot more labor that goes into it instead of this website builder that you kind of do yourself. Development time, it can take longer. You might not be able to get up and running in just a couple hours. It could take a week, month, or even several months, depending on the needs and who you're working with. To counteract those, I would say there's better long-term value in custom websites. Despite the initial cost, a custom website can offer greater value over time, especially if you do have unique requirements. And also, a lot of the work that you'd have to do with a site builder like this, you don't actually have to do. It gets taken out of your hands and done for you by somebody who knows what they're doing. In the end, there really is no right answer. Choosing between a website builder and a custom website depends on your specific needs, budget, long-term goals, and timeline. If you're not sure which one is right for you, please feel free to reach out, and I'm happy to help you decide what's best. Thanks so much for tuning in.